how to send snaps are not being saved by friends. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to send snaps which are not being saved by your friends. So first thing what you can do is just head over to your Snapchat, and let's say to send this photo or snap of my keyboard over here, I'll just take a snap of it, and here you can see I've selected this timer 4 seconds only, so which is why my friends are not being able to save this particular snaps, because it's only of short time frame and they cannot actually save it. So to make it able to save by your friends, what you can do is just tap on this timer and scroll all the way down until you see the no limit option, and as you can see you can read here snaps and stories set to no limit can be saved by friends. So just tap on it and select it, and you can just send it to any of your friends, and now once you send it to any of your friends, they can actually view it without any problem, and they can also save it on their chat history. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.